fucking hiccups are bad. Hiccups are horrible. They're all elongated hiccups. And what horrible place to have them. And you drive through where you're trying to talk. These ones make me burp. Man, that one got all jiggied with it.
Hey, this is Halsey, and you're listening to
98.5.
I just want my order. Yeah. Dang. That was just a head twerker. Gets me all worked up. Gotta drink that water. It's gonna help my hiccups. They're not good ones today, people. I get these weird ones. They're loud. Very elongated. See, that makes sense. I wish I didn't have this problem. Fuck, they make me lightheaded and shit. All my real friends that know me know I be extending those hiccups. Because it's either go big or go home. It's Las Vegas, people. You know? Woo! Fuck, they're gonna think I have Tourette's and shit. Oh, I hate hiccups. Especially the long ones when I get... they just come along and... I've been waiting to do this drive for a minute. Trying to get my farmer boys.
Because from scrap.
Oh. Woo! There's people behind me in a vehicle laughing because I'm all loud about it. It is what it is. I can't help my disorder. I think the people in the building are keeping me here long on purpose because they just want to all look at me. See? There's like nobody there. It scared them away. Shit. Just want my food and my hiccups to go away. Because it's going to get worse when I eat. Every bite I take is going to do that to me. Maybe if I scare myself. Bah! Oh, fuck. Can't even scare yourself. Get rid of your hiccups. Well, that one had a burp.
I'm reminded of good times, how we tried it. Don't know how to get you out of my head. I don't ever. Everybody knows something I don't. And I wonder how to keep a good thing going.